back to the channel. Today we are discussing how our Python script or a Python application can be run as a Linux service. So you will get for the tutorial purpose I am sharing a Python script, then a bash script. You can get it from my GitHub account. You can copy the raw file link, then using wget you can download it into your Linux bash. So you need to make a directory, then download this Python script, then you need to download the bash script also. If you want any edit, you can edit the Python script. Then you need to edit the bash script. That is actually helping to make our our Python script run as a Linux service. So edit the Linux bash script, change the app name, change directory, change the executing file full path, then log file, PID file. Now give executable permission to the bash script using chmod +x file name. Then move this file to /etc init.d directory. Actually all the service file will be present in that directory. So now our script is ready to use as Linux service, and you can run this using service, and log and .pid file will be generated by our bash script, and .log file will have std out and std error of the Python script, and .pid will have the process ID. One more Python script available in the GitHub, that is raise exception forcefully. So this script can also be run using the service. And it can be used for verifying whether the log file will be containing the std error or the Python exceptions. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video will help you in your development process as a Linux Python developer. And I hope you all enjoy this video, and I will get back to you with a new video that is very useful in Linux Python environment. Thank you.